Hi, I want to show you this antenna on my Tiago top model. I don't like it, I don't need the FM. So I'm just going to take it off. You can unscrew it, and then you have one of these screws here. It's just a plain screw. It's got this flat bottom here, and you can just screw it in. You can get black ones as well. Black ones would match the color of the antenna and camouflage it more. It's really easy. You just put it in, screw it in by hand most of the way, and this would just prevent any water from going into the antenna where it originally was. There's a few tightens with a screwdriver. It's really tight now, and it won't affect the FM quality because it works really well without it. I can demonstrate it to you now. Here we are, and you can hear the music very well. It's absolutely fine, and there's no errors in the reception, so that's good for me. I've taken the antenna out. I have a more aerodynamic and a more nicer looking roof. Thank you.